What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my second entry for the Random Weirdness Group Build, hosted by Dave over at the Glue Bomb Show. We just finished up the Weirdos Satan Crate model for that same group build, and things have been rolling off the bench pretty smoothly, so I figured I'd go ahead and bring out the little hot dogger here and do that for that build as well. So here we have our little hot dogger. Now this is a AMT retro re-release of a older kit. Not sure what that kit looks like, but I just know that this is a retro re-release of that. So here we have the little hot dogger with Droopy Dog, the Bone Ranger. This box has some pretty good puns on it. Like this, no bones about it. Hot dogger is literally a kit with pedigree, and it has a bunch of little features like the petrol tank, the pointer steering wheel, the Bowser bench seat, the T-bone radiator cap, bite-sized slicks, puppy picker net, the heavenly hydrant tail light, the kitty carrier, and the bone handle shifter, doggy dish, and our droopy dog, and lots of lock. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing of this and see what's inside. All right, so we have two different colors of glass. We have a blue and a clear, and then we have some red taillights. We got a chrome tree with some wheels and our headers. Some chrome bones. There's the dog bone shifter, the lots of lock, the fire hydrant tail lights, some engine parts, steering wheel. There's the puppy net. And here's some parts of the dog house here. There's the droopy dog. It looks like we got our frame. So here's the roof, some more parts to the dog house. Some more chrome. We got rims, our headlights, rear end diff, the petrol tank, some stacks, some more engine parts. Looks like the front end suspension, fan, oil pan, valve covers. So here's our wheels. Looks like the slicks are a two-piece slick, and they are Greyhound grippers. Now this is different than what the box shows, because the box shows Goodyear tires for the bite-sized slicks, but these Greyhound grippers definitely fit the theme of the kit a little bit better. And we have one metal axle for, I'm assuming, the back wheels. Then we have also in this bag our front tires, which are the smaller ones right there. So here's a look at our two-piece Greyhound grippers. These are the fronts, and these are the backs. They just go inside like so, with a little bit of glue. Let's take a look at our front tires. So, a little bit misshaped, but once we get a rim in there, it should fix it. This one's pretty good and round. This one's just a little wonky, but like I said, once we get a rim in there, should be good. And then here's one of the chrome trees. Got our radiator, the petrol moon tank, rear end diff, the front headlights, very nice looking chrome. Doesn't look like there's any flashing on this one, except for a little bit right here, but none on the actual parts. A little bit right there, but again, none on the actual parts. Let's go ahead and look at the other trees. This bag actually has 2 chrome trees in it. Let's go ahead and look at this one first. Got some bones. I'm pretty sure those are the ones that go on the top of the house. Again, really nice looking parts. Doesn't appear to be any flashing on them. Really good. Go ahead and take a look at the rims and headers. Here's a look at our front rims. Got a 2-piece front rim. Got some wheel backs. And our back rim. The other back rim was on the bigger tree here. Really nice looking back rims. Got the headers. Steering linkage. So we got a panel with some fencing on it. Got another panel with 2 openings. Our roof. A little bit of flashing on that, but should be able to clean that up. Got our awning here. Another bone. I'm wondering if that's the Bowser seat. Have to look at the instructions. Got 2 more panels with some fencing on it. Down to our last bag parts here, besides the glass, which I'm just gonna leave in the bag. Again, got clear piece and blue and red taillights. Let's go ahead and see what we have in this bag. So here's our frame. Got some flashing on it. Not too bad, should clean off pretty nice. Here's where it was attached to the sprue. We'll be able to get that off and cleaned up. Got 1 piece of our droopy dog, and the other piece is in the bag here. So 2-piece droopy dog. Should go together pretty easy. Might have to clean up the seams, but definitely pretty cool. Got some more pieces to the house. Looks like the floor pan. Maybe the inside of the doghouse. Some corner pieces, not sure what those are for. And some different engine pieces. 2-piece motor. So let's go ahead and see what else we have in the box. So first thing I pulled out was some decals. Already cut them open. Left a little corner on there. There we go. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Some Moon Racing Cam 76 Union. So some golf logos. Some different droopy dog faces. Little hot dogger, Goodyear, STP, some dog tongues, some spots. Rabid Transit, 400 cubic inches. Then we got a 375 cubic inch. Pooch Pincher, Dog Nabbit, some AMT logos. Puppy Power, Holiday Inn, Mutt Hut, Doggone. Got some tire decals. Another spot pattern for dogs. Get your paws off, some bones. So Wiener Wagon, Canine Kennel Cab, Sit Good Boy. It says it goes on the driver's seat. Some shoes and balls. So some kooky decals, but might come in handy for some future builds. Model kits, so another little round 2 brochure. Definitely nothing from today. I believe this kit came out in 2015. But still some kits you can find today. So we got a round2models.com little thing you mail in. AMT, MPC, Polar Lights, Lindbergh line, and Hawk. So not sure if they'll take this still, but who knows. Then we have our instructions here. So fairly simple looking instructions. Should be a pretty nice kit to put together. Doesn't seem overcomplicated or anything. There's your breakdown of all your parts. Well, there's those triangle pieces. So frame filler is what they are. And then another thing that we have in here seems to be a diorama and a mini box. So let's go ahead and break open this diorama. So we got a AMT. There's the dog. Pretty much looks like you might have something that's kind of gonna resemble the box art. So it looks like the fire hydrant pops out and gives it a 3D effect. We got a sidewalk. We got the mini box support. So apparently you can put the little mini box on there. And then here we have the base. Dig the Dogger from the cats at AMT. The show rod revival is here. Definitely pretty nice. I wish they make these little dioramas out of something a little bit stiffer. I don't really have any good luck when I build these, but this one definitely seems a little stiffer than the old Revell gas station I built a while back. So there we have it, our next Random Weirdness Group Build entry, the Little Hot Dogger. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for checking it out and stopping by and hanging out with me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. like, and subscribe.